What was it about? I'm reading, I'm speaking, they're walking.
They would start to speak.
They would have started planning.
They started planning.
She scarcely speaks.
Then she does, she speaks.
Did you see the image?
Yes.
$23,000 Chanel bag. Natasha can take that off my hands for now. Or it could be as simple as a lip gloss, which runs about $25. So this begs the question, is retail therapy more productive than real therapy?
You can see the results.
You see the results immediately?
Exactly.
So when the going gets tough, the tough go shopping. We promise it works. Until they...
Did you see the image?
Yes.
I draw this image because I regarded this image and this sentence for some minutes before adding to it.
Let me use the time to explain as clearly as I can.
Let me remember the bird song eaten by the silence of a cat.
They never get the story started, much less ended.
The unfinished image, unfinished, the background. It's going to end.
Yes, but our situation could generate any number of stories, but it generates nothing.
Yes, it generates nothing.
Listen, things that are clear to me are sometimes incomprehensible to others.
They perform their plan at the house.
They meet there.
Yes, there.
A few pages, images back, is that the end of our story? They write to each other, pages filled yet. The stamp carries away unspoken words.
No, it's the beginning. In a couple of images, if you like.
We tell you the end of that story. That's how this movie will work. It works here.
He stopped beside her, casting a shadow over her. The unfinished tell-along story of her unfinished story. The chronic uneventfulness. We agree that a story with nothing fantastic in it lacks something essential. They're only visible while the film is screened.
After walking off the screen, they are covered by what lies behind them.
The background.
Yes, the background, everybody knows.
They look at each other.
They look at each other, they got used to the darkness.
Yes, they got used to the darkness.
They walk out of the shot, out of the frame.
And then the picture of their disappearance appears, just like their image before.
That's how this movie will work. Fraught with melodrama, spectacle, instructions, and entertainment. A sudden sadness found them alone in the crowd. Unseen, they left.
They left, and the script continued.
try to coordinate each division of our story. If stories partake of dreams or remembrances, some dreams may be like stories.
Our situation could generate any number of stories, but it generated none.
Yes.
Our situation could generate any number of stories, but it generated none.
Yes, none.